All right, so I'm the only one left here at the factory, so I'll do my best to record it. But finally, we have the new city fully assembled and ready to ride. All right, so now we're assembling the first unit of the new city beta production. We're in the R&D lab. So there we have it. Look at this beauty, this rounded belly, but the flat spot here to make it easier to work on. And right now we are really focusing on the electronic. You can see this is the new controller generation. It's bigger than the previous controller we had. The PCB itself is bigger. There's more layer to it. We use better MOSFET. And you can see that all the connectors are directly connected on the PCB. So you have like the motor connector here, the battery one, all the lights. So this is gonna make it cleaner for wire management, but again, it's just how we build the new generation. And you can see that the controller is touching the neck directly. There's no heatsink from it. So the new generation of controller, and we have the new suspension here. So on this unit, as you can see, it is brown. And the reason for this is that we tried the one that is here, orange, but it was too soft, so we're bottoming out. This one, the brown, is stiffer, and we have the new rubber bushing as well located here. So when you bottom out, or let's say when it's gonna decompress, it's still gonna be comfortable, and it's gonna be the same thing at the back here. We have those two little rubber bushing right here that you see that were not there before. As something that is hard to notice is that the whole springs are longer as well. So you're gonna have more travel, and the city was already renowned for the great suspension. Well, now we're just entering a completely new era of suspension. So if you like this previous city suspension, you're gonna absolutely love this one. So as you can see right now, we're trying to fit the side diffuser light. And you know, we did so many diffusers. We really learned from how to do it, install them, route the wires, and you can see installing this took him about 10 seconds, and it's the first time he ever assembled one. So this whole scooter is really built to be easy to repair. The philosophy of making this lineup and the entire 2.0 lineup is to be able to access every component within 5 minutes. That's it, you know? It's built to last, and when you need to repair it, it's easy. Let me get back to you once it's a little bit more assembled. So now the issue is that the neck is too thick versus our first prototype. And because of the new way we do the controller, we cannot put the case that's gonna go here because it's pushing on all the connectors. So usually the case is this. It's gonna go here to close the deck, waterproof everything like this. But now it's gonna press on the connectors. So we really need to shave this, which is just way too thick right now, to allow some space to close it properly. We see our beautiful new fender light here with the longer suspension, the beautiful diffuser. You can see we have ample of space in the deck. It's because the controller is located in the neck like we did for the Apollo Go. And this is what we had to do for now. Again, because this is sticking out too far, so we're gonna need to modify the frame. But for now, just for the sake of getting it ready while we are in China, we had to improv. All right, there we have it. The city assembled as best as it can right now. So again, what do we have? Pretty much the final thing. Right now, we're missing the rear button here, and we need to adjust the grip tape. We are missing the hook at the top. And look at this, finally a suspension fully covered on the city. It only took 4 years. And this fender is beautiful and rock solid. And same thing at the back, look at this, fully covered, and not just there, as well as under here. So your suspension's gonna stay clean for years to come. And now for the big reveal, obviously, we're gonna turn on the scooter. Yeah, we have this loud new buzzer, as you can hear, located right there. Shabam, look at this, look at this. The footlight, which is hard to see because of all the light, but this is really like deep red. It's not orange. Then we have our side light, which again, continuous side light all the way to the front. Then the stem light, and we have the headlight here. On the final unit, it's gonna be a bit longer to go over the headlight, so don't worry. And we have the turning signal. And when we put them, you see it on the handlebar, but also at the back here. Super visible. It shines on the ground. Again, it's hard to capture just how bright this is. And the headlight, well, put brake cable in front of it, but super bright. Super, super bright. And another part that I love about this scooter is the orange plate that fit flush with the grip tape here. Look at this. You have this angle coming here and the ripple effect too. Classic to the original City. And you can see with this grip tape, we really went for a 3D effect. So it's up and down, and usually we just cut in the grip tape. If we compare this to the dash, you see, it's only going down. There's nothing going up really, right? You can see. But with this one, follow the edge of the grip tape. It's cut to follow the edge of the frame like this. It's beautiful. Finally, we have the new City fully assembled and ready to ride. So a couple things we fixed. You can see the brake cables are no longer hiding the headlight. Pretty basic, but we needed to change the brake handle. We were able to add the rear button here as well. So now we can fold the scooter, and with the hook we have here, it's gonna go lock right in there. And yeah, overall we just tuned it, so we're finally ready to ride it. So you can see just how bright it is. Give you an idea of how far you can see the turning signal. I think it's no longer a problem if you can see it this well during daytime. Okay, acceleration is great. We get a little kick, whoa, a little kick down out of it. Really good, okay. Yeah, definitely stronger than the old City, that's for sure. Let me turn off the lights to be able to show you properly the suspension travel. So it's great, it feels great, and you can definitely feel that there's more travel than the old City. And also there's no longer a clunking sound of like bottoming out because of the rubber bushing we added in the suspension. This scooter is a culmination of everything we learned. We built it from everything that the City taught us on the Go platform, which is the most reliable with all the latest technology. All of this enrobed into, I think, the most beautiful scooter ever made on this planet, period. There's no Segway that can match that. There's no other Apollo that can match that. This is just a piece of art. If you want this scooter, again, the reservations are open. Let us know down below in the comment section what are your impressions of this scooter, and I'll see you in the next video.